Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. I'm Harling Quiz to tell you in this tutorials, or let's say maybe in this tutorials, how do you unlock permanently iCloud activation locked links from any iPhone device, either it is old ones or new ones. How do you remove permanently iCloud activation locked links? So right now, see here, this device is locked to owners. We are trying to especially here unlock it permanently. It is stuck on here. So firstly we will disconnect. So this device has been disconnected from iTunes. Now once again we will connect. Let's access the data. After accessing the data, what's the messages are coming especially on this iTunes? Sometimes when we will connect with iTunes, automatically it will be gone out because due to it happens when it's not connected with or configured with Apple database server or in an Apple database server. That's why happening. So right now here, it's a function that was erased and lost into the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID and the password behind it. Not required to know, guys. Of course, we can permanently terminate it. How it is? First and foremost, guys, if you're having this kind of the problem, don't worry. We will go for switch on or of course run as administration. That is a 3U tool. But don't worry, in case your device is stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted in each situation, do the similar strategy. You would be able to like pass permanently, guys. Now here is a crash analysis. Just we will have to go in the inside. Let it delete all the data that I had accumulated by a crash analysis. One more remain, just we will try to delete, but it's deleted, but still it's not one file. So we'll have to go for here, especially in that is the imaging PC. Let's open it. When we will go for open this, now see guys, here we will go for trial mode, and in the trial mode just we will go for remind me later, and here just we will go for here, just picture this ones. It is no, we have actually more confusing. So just we will go for forget everyone one by one. So because multiple devices I have actually unlocked, so just we will go for here. One gone, second one of course. Here it is. This is a success. Now we will try to go for show device console. Let's see. It's a things that connect to a device means it is not connected. So just we will go for forget it also. Let's see. It will take a few minutes. Now see, it has gone. Now the once again we will disconnect, and once again we will try to connect it. So now see this cam, this device especially, let me minimize, and we will come on here, and we will go for here once again show device console. It's a function that connect to a device. Now it has been connected. So this kind of the error, if you're having some, then of course you can fix it. But right now, see here, we are on a show device console. So now it's a fading, but almost it has been actually see cleared the consoles. Otherwise, the black screens, there is a data would be accumulated here. So there is no data inside of it. But however, of course, we will go for show device console, and let's clear 4-5 times. 8 list. We will back, and now see what we will do, guys. Here there is nothing coming clear, so it's all the white screen is a comings. So we can go for here on a especially 3U tool. On the other hand, of course, we will hold this and push this REC mode, and once again we will come clear, and let's close this, and of course we will come on a especially, let's close now this. Now we will close it, and of course we will come on here. Let's close this iTunes also. We are on here only once. Now what we will do, guys, here, just we will come on especially flash options. We'll go for picture this one's latest IPSW. Click on a refresh. Automatically it will recommend to use to download or import. Directly we can import this IPSW can be downloaded from various especially website, www.3u.com itself, especially one is ipsw.com, so on itself apples, and directly you can download by coming on also firmware, all the firmware according to the requirements. Select the device and the return, it will automatically recommend you. It's a 6, so just we will go for here. Now this is the latest ones that we can go with here, this ones. Now here right now, of course, we were coming in easy flash and we will hit this ones. We will select the retain user data not, just we will select the quick flash mode. We will hit this ones and let's say it has been restored on 9%. Now the further we will see any kinds of the error will come, so of course we will try to fix it. Now right now see we are on a 16%. We will see further if the any error will come, so of course together we will fix it, don't worry. Now 34% we have the cross, it means most probably that it would be a special unlocked, so because it has been confessed or configured in an Apple database servers to wipe out everything from this device. This is old one device, so there was no, especially after the crash analysis data, actually we had a clear, there was no actually any retaining data on a console clearing, so most probably it will be unlocked, so don't worry guys. Now we are on a 34%, we will see further. Now we have the restore on a 36%. See guys, the any kinds of the errors. What are the source of error? Then try to use always the data cable, that should be original. Second one, of course, during the flashing process in the device, they restart the multiple times. So please don't unplug the device, don't disconnect the device, otherwise it will stuck on Apple logo, and when it will stuck on Apple logo, then of course we will have to up down and continue holding this on a button so that it will get rid of it from this Apple stuck logo, and it will go once again in the recovery mode or DFU mode so that it would be a functional. So finally we have the rest on the 40%. At the end of course I will show you without touching on this device, of course we will transfer one new Apple ID and password without recommending any or accessing a data of especially old one Apple ID and password. We will especially install the transfer directly new Apple ID and password. So we will have to maintain the consistency till the watch of this tutorial, and almost everything in front of you. The before you live, so guys, the time is going on, and I'm not going to edit one bite of this tutorials. Just everything will be especially similar one. Do it at your homes, and of course unlock it 2-3 times. If you practice, then it would be expert, of course, bathrooms for the wiping out, especially iCloud activation lock links. This procedure can be applicable either it is a new one phones or old one iPhones. So on each phone, of course, it would be applicable. 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute on especially accurate time on a certain time. So we will see here. Don't worry, guys. We are on a actually 50% is we have the completed further the remaining, so the 45% is of course scarcely it will take 5 minutes to 10 minutes, don't worry. In the midst of it, of course we will complete it. This is old iPhone, especially iPhone 6, but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, of course the Pro Max. On it, these will be applicable. There was no actually accumulated in the console clearing data or retaining data. There was no retained data, so I done quickly to switch into the receive mode, guys. Now look at on the physical body of especially this iPhones, almost especially I mean more than 80% we have completed on the screen. It's notifying so that it's still on a 68%, so don't really want it. Just look at on the physical body, what the situation progressing stage of it. And 2-3 crucial steps the further we will have to add So we will see, don't worry. So it's totally savvy, guys. Do it similar way, and if you're facing the kind of some, if you face any kind of the challenges to execute or error, then of course there's a quite below the comment box. So most probably that if the 3U tool is not connected with the internet or in able to be shoved the proper way, then of course it will give you error. So in that condition, if any error will come, so then you will have to change the internet connections. However, it's giving a special errors, and then of course you will have to go for making the precise location, accuracy. Yes, how do you accurate of the precise location of an especially PC or laptops? Suppose this phone is basically from the especially the New Zealand, and then of course you will have to create the precise location on your PC or laptop in New Zealand, so that yes, precise location would be a similar, so there will be no any problems to navigate in the proper way. So now see, this device has been completed within 11 minutes. Successfully clean flush has been completed. So now we will have to come on a switch lamp toolbox. We will have to wait for what? Yes, wait for watching especially guys batch activations. This step is very crucial on accurate times within 20 seconds when or hence especially highlighted this. Quickly we will have to go for batch activation. So now see, it's rebooting, guys. We will have to wait here. It will notify that it has to highlight it, so we will wait here. Almost it would be highlighted, don't worry guys. Still it's not notifying, so we will have to wait here. We will have to wait. We will have to wait. Now it's notifying, so quickly it would be highlighted. Don't worry, now it has been 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and of course we will go for here under activations. Sure, let's see. Now it's under activations. Firstly, step by step I am doing now. So that I did not select the also because this is old one iPhone device, so maybe there is just something false or the problems or error will come. So then now see, activation succeeded. Now we will go for here. Firstly, second one we will go here. Let's cut it, and of course we will go for the activation options and let it highlighted here, and we will go for, so it's asking a 10 second. Of course we will have to wait here for 10 seconds, and then of course we will go for once again. Let's now it has been highlighted, so it's done. Also once again we will come to the toolbox, so we will have to cut it from here on a batch activation. The batch activations in there, we'll go for here skips these ones together. Now we will go for here hits these ones. Now what will happen, guys, don't worry. Now it's activating. On the other hand, of course we will go for open, that is a dash iTunes. So now see here iTunes, and it's still in an activation process. And what's the iTunes is just showing the message. We will see here it's iTunes has been opened, so of course now it's given a good signal that welcome to new one, and it's still skipping, so we will wait here, don't worry. Means activation process has been completed. Now it's skipping to the whole setup of this thing. Now see here, now this device is just saying so that welcome to new one, so I think it will succeed. Then of course in this iTunes will be able to execute. Let's see, we will come the sign in, no problem, go ahead. And here is the workings, and we have the rest on to generate a new alignment password directly. So now how easily actually see the given an opportunity to guys generate new alignment password, how quickly it has been done now, and still it's activating and the skipping of this things now. This will be quickly done, but iTunes after assessing data it's not giving an error, so successfully it has done, guys. Now no problem at all, we will keep it here. We will come on here. Now see here, given an opportunity to write the emails, write the password, verify the password, select the country and the reason, and accept term and conditions, especially. Yes, by the clicking continue, you acknowledge that you agree to this Apple Media Service term and condition. We will go for continue, and this ID will be quickly transferred from here. Now still it's not rebooted, so what we will do here now, don't worry, we will have to wait and watch. It will be a completed, but before completing we have done some everything. Now what do you say here? This device is finally especially completely unlocks. Now there is no links any previous one especially applied in password on it. How easily it has been the especially unlocks, guys. This is old one, so if you are having seen the especially old ones below the 10x or 11 Pro Max, and then blindly go with this this is strategy, and of course do it similar strategy. If you're having the problem, the actual execution is all the skipping and activations, then one by one do it. Do firstly go under activation process, then go for once again deactivation process, then once again we will go for with both. Now still it's a rebooting, we will have to wait here, guys. Still it's taking time. Then of course we will go for virtual location, and now we will go for true location. Let's reboot, so it will be quickly done. Now everything has been done, so I think there is no chances. After assessing the data, this iTunes is sanctioned completely. Welcome to new one. So how could it be possible so that it will be a link to that? There is no internet connection, there is nothing, but however of course now so just we will now if we go for virtual location, then there is no chances that the SIM card won't be functional. So now we are on here. Let's see, let's close this not required this. Still it's a see here, it's saying should welcome to new ones. Once again, the repeat I here, just go in the sign in to of course create a new Palladium password. So let it access the data. And thereupon after accessing the data, what's the message coming? So of course you can generate a new Palladium password. It's still taking time here, guys. Let's see what will happen. I think it's having the problem on this device a little bit, so let's wait for reboot. Automatically it will be rebooted, or let it install the completely. But we have done so everything before rebooting of this device, guys. Now there is no chances that anything will happen, because after assessing the data it's given a clearance everything. So then how could it be possible of it? So now see, directly we are on home screens. If we are on a home screens, click on here and see everything has gone. Directly we are on here. Now see, if I go for here, it's asking to connect to the internet, sign into your accounts. How could it be possible? So that we can directly restore here. So because see, yes, everything is possible if you have intent to do it. Now it has been the final unlocked. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, in inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. I'll pass would you manage to reply or the query. And of course, if you're having any comments from the confusion query, drop the comments in the comment box, and the pleasure would be managed to reply to the query. This is all about in this tutorial, guys. I will special of course make tutorial on another device also in the coming soons. So thank you for watching a technology welfare. Have a great time, guys. And if it is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget to like, subscribe, the description, this courses, because these things in this will inspire and motivate me to make the further tutorials similar like that. So thank you for watching technology. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.